This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the mouse pointer size in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop. I am on my desktop now. To change your mouse pointer size in Windows 11, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Accessibility. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Mouse Pointer and Touch. Below that it says Mouse Pointer Color Size. Click on Mouse Pointer Touch. And then right down here is Size. You have a little slider over here. You could see the two little icons. You have a little bitty icon of a mouse pointer and a big icon of a mouse pointer. You would move the slider to the right to increase the size of the mouse pointer. You would move it to the left to decrease the size of the mouse pointer. I currently have mine set on 2. That is how you change the size of the mouse pointer in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.